Have you ever wished there was an easier way to make money online without having to learn a new skill or spend countless hours grinding away? Well, today is your lucky day. I'm going to show you a simple yet powerful AI tool and how you can use it to make money in 3 different methods. It could make you thousands of dollars. Let's dive in. Rask AI is a cutting-edge tool that uses artificial intelligence to translate videos and audio into over 130 languages, opening up global opportunities like never before. It doesn't stop there. You can also transcribe YouTube videos, add subtitles, convert text to speech, and so much more. Here's how it works. Let's say you have a YouTube video that's doing well in English, but you want to reach a global audience. Rask AI lets you translate that same video into languages like Spanish, French, Hindi, and hundreds of others. The best part? You don't need to know these languages. The AI does it all for you, and it's incredibly accurate. For beginners or even seasoned creators, this is the ultimate tool to make your content accessible worldwide. Let me walk you through the simple process. First, head over to Rask AI's homepage and click Try Now for free. You can sign up using your Google account or email. Once signed in, upload your video or audio file, or even just paste a YouTube link. The AI will auto-detect the original language, and you can then select from a list of 130 languages to translate into. In under a minute, your video will be ready for an entirely new audience. This is truly a powerful way to expand your content reach, but it's also a major money-making opportunity. Let's talk about how you can cash in. First up is Fiverr, one of the world's largest freelance platforms. If you've ever searched for services like video translation on Fiverr, you'll notice something pretty interesting. People are charging anywhere from $5 to $250 or more for translating videos into different languages. And guess what? Many of them are using AI tools like Rask AI to do the work. You can too, and I'm going to show you how. Simply create a gig offering video or audio translation services. Let's look at an example. A seller on Fiverr offers video translations for $20 for a 5-minute video. You could start with a similar gig using Rask AI to do the heavy lifting. The demand is high, and the competition isn't as stiff as you might think. Just a few translations a week could earn you $300 or more, and this is just the start. Now, what if you could earn passive income without even doing the translations yourself? This is where affiliate marketing comes in, and Rask AI has an awesome affiliate program. If you scroll to the bottom of their website, you'll see an option to become an affiliate. Once you're signed up, you can promote Rask AI to others and earn commissions for every sale. Here's how it works. Every time someone signs up through your link and purchases a paid plan, you'll earn a percentage of the sale. Rask AI's affiliate commissions are no joke. You'll earn $500 for each marketing qualified lead and a 25% commission for every business plan user sign up. This is where the real money lies. Even better, you don't need a massive following to do this. Start by creating simple tutorials on how to use Rask AI, just like this one, and promote your affiliate link in the description. At the time of making this video, Rask is in the process of revamping their affiliate program, so signups may not be available immediately, but make sure to watch out for it because it's one of the easiest ways to generate passive income in 2024. This is the most profitable method, and if done right, could make you thousands of dollars per month. YouTube is a massive platform with creators constantly looking to grow their audiences. Many successful YouTubers are now expanding into different languages to reach viewers in other countries. This is where you come in. You can offer to translate their videos into other languages using Rask AI. Imagine reaching out to a popular content creator and offering to translate their entire channel into Spanish, French, or any other language. You're helping them grow their audience and make more money while you get paid for your services. The great thing is, once a YouTuber starts working with you, they'll likely need ongoing translations, meaning recurring revenue for you. All you need to do is find creators in your niche, contact them using their email, usually listed on their channel, and pitch your service. This could easily earn you anywhere from $500 to $10,000 per month, depending on the size of the YouTubers you work with. And you're using AI to do all the work. This is truly the best way to turn Rask AI into a cash-generating machine. If you want to learn more ways you can make money online, check out this video where I show you 5 proven websites that will earn you money. Thank you for watching.